Today it's all about the LED headlights I'm in love with right now. Right after the short intro, coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rahil. I make auto DIY electronics and tips and tricks videos. So if you're new here, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your car headlights, which are the halogen ones, to LED type. So these are bought from AliExpress from a seller named CNSUNNYLight official store. Some user manual. This kit includes 2 bulbs and 2 LED drivers. This bulb has 4 CREE LED chips, 2 XHP50 and 2 XML2, which has high luminous efficiency on each bulb to give maximum brightness. It also comes with these tubes to change the color of the bulb just in case you want to use this bulb in bad weather. I've already discussed why CREE LED chips are much better in my previous video, so make sure you do check it out. I will link it in the description box and also the I button here or here somewhere. Also, this is not a paid promotion. My friend actually bought this LED lights. Now in my last video, the LED bulb that I had used had maximum brightness of 3000 lumens, and this bulb has maximum brightness of 6476 lumens. You heard me right. At low beam, this bulb consumes 40 watt power and outputs 5000 lumens, and at full beam, this bulb consumes 50 watt power and outputs 6476 lumens per bulb. And cars have 2 bulbs, which means lots of brightness. This LED bulb has got a fan to cool down the LED chips to increase their life, so make sure there is adequate amount of air which flows through it. So accordingly, you will have to adjust the dust cap. Now this LED bulb has got anti-dazzle optical beam pattern, so you can use these LEDs in reflector without worrying about dazzling oncoming traffic, which is amazing. Of course, the final result will depend on the reflector design of your car. So some of you might be tempted to use a higher wattage halogen bulb like the 90 by 100 watt halogen bulb, which is pretty decent, but then it damages your reflector lens by fading it and can also result in peeling of the plastic headlight lens. Not to mention, you also need a good quality relay so that you don't burn up the car's internal wiring. But with LEDs, you don't need all of that. Just plug and play. That's it. This bulb is H4 type. So to install this, first you will have to hold this ring and rotate the bulb so that you separate this H4 socket from the bulb. Now remove the old car bulb and install this new socket in place of that bulb. Once you are done with it, put back this LED bulb inside the installed socket and give it a rotational twist so that it fits in the socket properly. Finally, just connect it to the H4 female bulb connector and you are done. Plug and play. Yes, that is it. No cutting of wires or splicing it. You don't even need a relay or any extra wiring for that, which means your car's electrical warranty is safe. You can also use this same LED in your bike or scooter. I have made a detailed video on how to do it, so make sure you check it out on my channel. Now let's make a comparison between the old halogen lights and the new LED lights. So here is how the old halogen bulb performs, and mind you, they are 90 by 100 watt halogen bulbs. And now, the moment of truth. The following is the performance of the LED bulbs. I have kept all camera settings same so you get a proper idea on its performance. Now this LED bulb has got sharp cutoff which means you will not dazzle or blind oncoming traffic, which is really good even after using LEDs in a reflector. On the flip side, if you use COB or SMD type of LED instead of this CREE LED bulb, then you'll be blinding all oncoming traffic, which is not good. So please don't do that. Use quality LED bulbs which will not trouble others. So question of the day, how much does this bulb cost? Well, currently it sells for around $45 which is approximately 3000 Indian rupees. If you're planning to upgrade your headlight bulb to 90 by 100 watt from 55 by 60, and if you can spend 3000 rupees to improve your headlights, then I will strongly recommend you this particular bulb. Also, installing this will not void your car's electrical warranty, so that's always a plus. Now these LED bulbs are cooler, brighter and consume very less amount of power, which means it will not damage your reflector at all in the form of fading or melting or degrading your headlight, which will happen if you use 90 by 100 watt bulb. Also, the best part, you don't need to mess with any wiring of your car. It is plug and play. That's it. So let me know in the comment section below if this particular bulb blew your mind, or if you know LED which is even brighter than this. You can also follow me on Instagram here. Also, I have put all product links in the description box below, so make sure you do check it out. So that's it for the video. Hope you like it. Hit the like button if you did so. Share this video with your friends and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Now let's make a comparison between the old LED